Hey everyone, I just wanted to welcome you again to EDU 131, Child, Family, and Community. Just a couple of things I want to just reiterate to you, unless I tell you otherwise. All of your assignments will be due on Thursday nights. As you can see, your first assignment is due this Thursday, which is your introduction quiz, and you need to post to the introduction form about yourself. Each week you will have assignments, like right here next week. I've not put the information in yet, but those assignments will be due next Thursday, which will be the 1st, October 1st, and I will have, you won't be able to see these yet, but I'll have your assignments and your readings. And if I say read chapter 3, that means chapter 3 from the textbook. I will give you articles to read from online or websites to look at, so you'll click on those. But anyway, just in the next few days, I'll have the next few weeks available for you. I'll put up a couple of weeks at a time. You'll have some major projects, at least 3, and I'll go ahead and get that information, or I'll get them into the weeks in the next few days. And as always, please email me or call me if you have any questions. Have a good day. Thanks.